This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good broth for noodles. First, gather your ingredients: bones, aromatics like onion and ginger, and fresh vegetables. Place them in a large pot, cover with cold water, and bring to a gentle simmer. This initial step is crucial for building a flavorful foundation. Remember to keep the heat low and steady for the best results. To truly elevate your broth, consider roasting your bones first. This adds incredible depth. For an extra layer of savory goodness, toss in some dried shiitake mushrooms or a piece of kombu. These ingredients are packed with umami. Towards the end of the simmering process, introduce fresh herbs like cilantro stems or a bay leaf to brighten the overall flavor profile. Don't overdo it, a little goes a long way. Achieving a clear broth is simple. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth. This removes all solids, leaving you with a pristine liquid. After straining, chill the broth in the refrigerator. The fat will solidify on top, making it easy to skim off. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your preference. Once your delicious broth is ready, let it cool completely before storing. You can keep it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze it in smaller portions, like 1-cup measurements, which can last for up to 3 months. This makes it super convenient for quick noodle dishes anytime. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade noodle broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.